Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful for you. So please watch the video till end. And my dear students, the only request to all of you is to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me so that I bring you much more useful and much better videos for you in future also. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. But before we start our today's video, let's take a quick revision of the work which we have done in our previous video. So my dear students, in the previous video, we had studied actually rancidity and the methods to actually protect from our food from rancidity. So my dear students, let me tell you that actually we are actually studying the effects of this oxidation in our day-to-day life. So one effect was on metals, which was called corrosion of metals, and second effect of oxidation, which is these are bad effects actually. So that is rancidity of food. So rancidity we had actually studied in detail. So let me tell you once again. So rancidity is actually sometimes what happens that particularly oily food or fried food, so when they are kept for a long time, so what happens that there is development of actually bad smell and bad taste in such foods. So that is actually called rancidity. So development of actually bad taste and bad smell due to the oxidation of actually oily food, so that is called rancidity. So to prevent and as a result of rancidity, that is actually due to oxidation of these oily food, that is due to rancidity is caused by actually oxidation of what we say uh, these oily foods. So what are the ways by which we can this stop or prevent this rancidity of food? So there are many ways actually. We had discussed 5 ways. Number one was adding antioxidants like BHA and BHT. I had told you the full forms of these antioxidants also. So BHT is butylated hydroxy toluene, and BHA is butylated hydroxy anisole. So my dear students, please remember the names of these full forms of these actually antioxidants, and also remember the names of these antioxidants, because question on these can be asked in your paper. So what are antioxidants? I have told you these are actually reducing agents which actually remove oxygen and prevents oxidation. And then by actually nitrogen is we also fill for example the packets containing potato chips with nitrogen gas. Now why nitrogen gas is filled in these actually these bags, plastic bags containing these potato chips? Because nitrogen is unreactive gas. So when these packets are filled with nitrogen, so oxygen gets actually removed from there. So now and nitrogen is unreactive. So actually these potato chips kept in these packets, they do not oxidize. And then we have we can also prevent rancidity by keeping food in refrigerators, because actually refrigeration cooling slows down oxidation. And then we can also place these oily food items in air tight containers, because it is the main culprit is the oxygen. So when air will not enter into the container in which we have kept this oily food, so oxidation will not be there. And then we can also actually by keeping food away from sunlight. So actually when food is kept in darkness or in dark, so what happens that oxidation also slows down in darkness. So we should prevent food from sunlight also. So these ways to prevent rancidity of food we have discussed in our previous video. Now my dear students, today I have some questions for you. So our this actually all these things which we are doing actually for last three videos, so that were related to our topic of redox reactions. So now I have actually mix up of questions for you related to this topic, redox reactions. Actually, my dear students, it is very important to actually solve as many questions as possible, because they will help you very much in your exams. So let me tell you what are the advantages of solving questions. You know very well questions are very important. So questions, when we solve questions, so that also makes our study interesting. And then another benefit of solving question is that we when we solve question, now for example we study a topic and we don't actually do questions based on that topic, so we don't come to know what kind of questions can be asked in our exams. So it is very important to actually understand a topic, then followed by some questions, so that you get an idea how which type of questions can be asked from this topic in your exams. Second is, when we study a topic, so to reinforce our understanding, our knowledge, what we have gained through that topic. So for that, questions solving is very important. And then there is another benefit of questions. So that is that actually reinforcing of knowledge, and then idea of yes, idea of which type of question can be asked in paper. And the third is to test yourself, to evaluate yourself, that how much you understood through that topic of that topic. So that is also actually is there in when we solve questions related to that topic. So now I would like to give you some questions based on redox reaction which we have just done. So first question to you is, this is our today's topic actually. The removal of oxygen from a substance is called, of choice A is oxidation, B is corrosion, C is oxidation, D is rancidity. Once again, the removal of oxygen from a substance is called, option A is oxidation, B is corrosion, C is reduction. Here you can write reduction. I have written oxidation 2 times, so you can write here reduction. And D is rancidity. Question number 2 is, the removal of hydrogen from a substance is, option A is oxidation, B is dehydration, C is reduction, D is dehydrogenation. Once again, the removal of hydrogen from a substance is, A is oxidation, B option is dehydration, C option is reduction, D option is dehydrogenation. Question number 3 is, the chemical reaction involved in the corrosion of iron is, once again, the chemical reaction involved in the corrosion of iron is, option A is oxidation as well as displacement, B is reduction as well as combination, C is oxidation as well as combination, D is reduction as well as displacement. Once again, A is option A is oxidation as well as displacement. B option is reduction as well as combination. Option C is oxidation as well as combination. D is reduction as well as displacement. And my dear students, next question is, the term used to indicate the development of bad smell and bad taste in an oily food is, once again, the term used to indicate the development of bad smell and bad taste in an oily food is, option A is acidity, B is radioactivity, C is rancidity, D is rabidity. Once again, option A is acidity, B is radioactivity, C is rancidity, D is rabidity. Question number 5. To protect oxidation of potato chips, they are packed in packets filled with, once again, to protect oxidation of potato chips, they are packed in packets filled with, option A is chlorine gas, B is nitrogen gas, C is oxygen gas, D is carbon dioxide gas. Once again, A option is chlorine gas, B option is nitrogen gas, C is oxygen gas, D is carbon dioxide gas. And my dear students, last question for you is, magnesium plus oxygen oxide is equal to magnesium oxide plus copper. Once again, magnesium plus carbon oxide is equal to magnesium oxide plus copper is, option A is decomposition as well as displacement reaction. Once again, decomposition as well as displacement reaction. B is combination as well as double displacement. Combination as well as double displacement. C is redox as well as displacement. D is double displacement as well as redox. So these are actually questions which I have given to you to solve. So my dear students, please solve these questions. These are actually very important questions and very simple questions. If you have watched our previous videos also, or videos related to redox reactions, all videos, then there is no, I think, question that you will not be able to answer all these questions. So, and please, if you are not able to answer these questions, then please watch our previous videos also attentively, and then there is no question that you will not be able to answer all these questions. So these questions are very, very important and very interesting questions also. So my dear students, this is all for today. Now the next topic which we will take is, actually that is going to be our last topic of this chapter. So that is, my dear students, how to balance chemical equations. So that is very interesting topic, and I will tell you in a simple way how to balance given chemical equations. So this is all for today. So if you, my dear students, if you have any doubt, then please write in comment box. So this is all for today. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please share these videos in your friends also. And my dear students, keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. So good luck.